Hello, Crypto World, Wednesday morning, and we start with major news items. The International Energy Agency agreed to release, get this, 400 million barrels of oil to address the entire disruption of the oil chain line. And today we got another number with respect to the Consumer Price Index. It rose to 2.4% in February from a year earlier. That number was basically unchanged from January, but it's still higher than what the Fed wants. And the initial response in markets, interestingly, despite the release of so much oil to help the marketplace not continue to accelerate up, guess what? Oil was up today. It's as if, in my opinion, such an event was built into the price of oil. And unfortunately, with respect to the CPI number, it took interest rates up. You see the 10-year almost back at 4.20. And it was just 30 days ago we were discussing it looked like it would break down through 4.0. And unsurprisingly, when we see interest rates go up, boom, the US dollar gets stronger. Now let's jump over to crypto land. I'm going to describe crypto land as basically stable and having an upward bias. It's green across the board, and Bitcoin is above 70,000, despite the fact interest rates went up, despite the fact the dollar got stronger, and though the release of oil would be considered positive, look at that. It didn't help the price of oil, so the bottom line is crypto is relatively strong compared to the rest of markets. And when we look at the hourly chart of Bitcoin, notice that in the last 2 hours, it spiked up from 69,000 to 70,500, suggesting that there were people short into the market waiting for the CPI, or the crypto world is celebrating the release of so much oil, more than the price of oil is celebrating, if you will. So bottom line, when you have crypto going up, despite the fact interest rates went up, despite the fact the dollar is higher, and the fact that the other markets don't seem to be applauding the release of all that oil, Bitcoin is showing relative strength to other markets. And if this continues, it could suggest the sell-off is over in crypto.